Let's learn how to express I have a fever. Starting with the word fever. 发烧 Please repeat after me. 发烧发烧发烧 Let's do it faster. 发烧发烧发烧 Therefore, I have a fever is 我发烧 Please repeat after me. 我发烧我发烧我发烧 Let's practice what we have learned so far. Please repeat after me. Review 复习复习 Ouch 哎呦哎呦 I have a headache 我头疼我头疼 I have a bellyache 我肚子疼我肚子疼 I have a stomachache 我胃疼我胃疼 I have a toothache 我牙疼我牙疼 Achoo I have a cold Achoo我感冒了 Achoo我感冒了I have a cough 我咳嗽我咳嗽 I have diarrhea 我拉肚子我拉肚子 I have a fever 我发烧我发烧 Well done 好样的 In the next video, we're gonna learn how to say I'm constipated. You didn't see it coming, did you? Haha. Well, please give me a thumb up and share this video. Thank you for your support.